Hello, I've got an early Christmas present. Let's take a look. This new 4K Blu-ray of Santa Claus the Movie comes with a brand new interview with Mrs. Claus, Judy Cornwell, and great legacy features including a 1-hour making-of documentary, deleted scenes, and 30 minutes of film rushes of the press conference sequence. Santa Claus the Movie was released in cinemas in 1985 from father and son producer team Alexander and Ilya Solkind, who redefined the superhero films with the original Superman the Movie and its 2 sequels, as well as Supergirl directed by Jeannot Szwarc, who came back for this Santa origin story.
Supergirl, coming this summer.
Now, the film was shot in Pinewood Studios, including the vast 007 soundstage, and with an estimated budget of $50 million, making it one of the most expensive films in cinema history. Like Superman, this is an origin story that's had some echoes of the Man of Steel, from the opening sequence, where Santa finds his new home in the North Pole, much like the Fortress of Solitude, to the flying into New York after Santa's training is complete. Now, the cast here includes David Huddleston as Santa, who you may remember later in The Big Lebowski, Dudley Moore as lead elf, and John Lithgow as the villainous toy maker. There's even a cameo from Hollywood legend Burgess Meredith. Now, the glorious music for the film was composed by 4-time Oscar winner Henry Mancini, who people best know for his Pink Panther theme. His soundtrack has been reissued in many versions over the years, including this sumptuous 3-disc set. The film includes Sheena Easton, who sang the title theme for the Bond film For Your Eyes Only 4 years earlier. Her track Christmas All Over the World has grown in popularity over the years, so has the film. So I'm delighted to see that STUDIOCANAL and PARK CIRCUS have given Santa Claus the Movie a cinema release too. Now, the visual effects people from the Superman movies were back here too, headed by Derek Meddings, who worked his magic on Jerry Anderson's Thunderbirds, many of the James Bond films, and rightly won his Oscar for Superman the Movie. For me, this is the best Santa visual effects ever committed to film. I'd even say that this film deserves its own big making-of retrospective book too. Now, STUDIOCANAL created this 4K at the Silver Salt Restoration Company, where 150 hours were spent removing sparkles, dirt and scratches from the original film negative. I've always been a great fan of Santa Claus the Movie, and I'm thrilled it's getting this sparkling restoration by the folks down at STUDIOCANAL. Now, the original tagline for Superman the Movie was, "You'll believe a man can fly." The tagline for Santa Claus the Movie was, "Seeing is believing." Well, make your own mind up. Merry Christmas!
A prophecy has come to pass, that there would come to us a skilled maker of toys. This is your legacy.
This is a curious kind of place.
Oh, this is nothing. You'll see.
Green's just not his color. Now that's perfect.
You will bring our gifts to all the children in all the world.
Santa doesn't like my toys.
We've never had returns.
I need to make him appreciate me. Let me use your toy factory to make something special.
With these toys by December, Santa Claus will be finished. Our friends are in trouble. They're counting on us.
Wow!
Got to fly like the wind. Santa, they're waiting. Don't I hear something first?